kind of bags are those, bro?
Airlift.
Airlift?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah. Is that that's a 2-inch drop, eh? 2 or 3?
They're on coilovers. They go a little bit lower than that, but not a whole lot lower.
Yeah.
Well, if they're on coils, why don't you just raise them? Or if they don't go higher than that?
You can, but like you actually got to do a little bit of work to do that, right?
Oh, yeah.
They like raise the car, and then you fucking these like fucking rings on it. See these 2 rings up there? Yeah. You loosen those off. They act like locking nuts on each other.
Yeah.
So once you lower it and you tighten them back up, and you let the car back down, it will be the difference of whatever the fuck you did there. But if you lifted like a centimeter here, it's more like 3 centimeters once it's out here, because the distance, it's just fucking geometry. I was like, all right, they're a pain in the fucking ass. They're what, 245, 235, 255.
That's nice though, man.